Hello children, today I am here to give you the holiday assignment of English. You can do all these answers in any of the thin notebook or in the assignment sheets if it is available. It will be submitted when the school will reopen. Children, here we are starting with the holiday assignment. The first one question is unseen passage. Read the following passage carefully and answer these questions given below. In this, you have to go through this passage carefully and answer the questions that are given below. You will find the answer of these questions from this passage only. Here I am reading the passage for you. Birds always attract children. They are of different types, colors and natures. We have the smallest bird, the hummingbird, and the biggest one, ostrich. Our national bird, peacock, is also a large, beautiful bird. Birds are of various colors. Sparrows, grey, white, black. Parrots, light green. Pigeons, light grey, white, etc. Pigeons, sparrows, parrots, etc. are of quiet nature. Hawk, eagle, kite, vulture, crow are the predators. Now you have to answer these questions that are given below from this passage only. Questions are: first question is, what do birds always do? Second question is, which are the smallest and biggest birds? Third question is, name some of the predators. Fourth question, which bird is our national bird? Fifth question, who are of quiet nature? Second question is, fill in the blanks with nouns given in the brackets. Here in this exercise, some of the sentences are given and it's some of the kinds of nouns are given in the brackets. You have to fill in the blanks according to that. Next question is, fill in the blanks with appropriate pronoun given in the brackets. Here two of the options are given, out of which one is right. You have to write the appropriate answer in fill in the blanks. Next question is, write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. Here in this exercise, the positive form of the adjectives are given. You have to write the comparative and superlative degrees. Children, all these chapters are already explained in the videos. You can go through it for revision. Next question is based on tenses. Rewrite these sentences as directed. In this exercise, you have to rewrite these sentences by changing it into the tenses that are given in the brackets. For this exercise, children, you have to go through the tenses thoroughly. Next question is paragraph writing. Write a paragraph on importance of education. For writing the paragraph, you have to keep the word limit in mind. Next question is based on notice writing. Question is, you are Suman Tiwari. You lost your pencil box containing 2 Parker pens and some money in the school premises. Draft a notice to be put on the school notice board giving all the details about it. Children, for writing the notice, you have to follow the format and also you have to give all the necessary details that are required for it. Next question is letter writing. Here I have given you one informal letter. Question is, write a letter to your father who is posted in Bhopal, telling him about your poor performance in first terminal examination. Give valid reasons and assure him of your good scoring in next examination. Children, in notice and letter writing, you have to follow the format that was explained in the previous videos. Children, here I am again repeating that you have to submit this holiday assignment when the school will reopen. Thank you, children, and take care of yourself.